in Florida on vacation about to go to bed. Someone's shooting fireworks right outside my hotel. And, yeah. If whoever's doing this is watching this, stop doing this. It's like, what time is it? 9:07. I'm tired. I've had a long week. Go away. Exactly.
My God!
I cannot speak. Police are here. Yes, he's finally gone.
Oh,
Police.
oh, buddy, you're dead, buddy.
You violated the law. You got a permit for that.
You're dead.
You got a permit for
It's
that.
state right there.
You're dead. You're absolutely. You're dead.
You got a permit for that.
He's absolutely dead.
I don't know if I can legally post this, but I don't care. I don't care. Hashtag police call. Look at that.
So, thank you.
He's fighting someone? Justice has been served, I think. I don't know. Okay, now there's a helicopter. There's 3 choppers? Okay, so there are 3 helicopters floating around over there. Is this
Police helicopters?
yes, those are police helicopters. Holy crap.
Oh, they brought out all the units.
They have 4 units over there. One is possibly a K9. I thought one of them was like a K9. 3 helicopters, all like I mean they have fireworks. It's not the best idea. I'm shaking the crap out of myself. Holy. And it's not cold out here. It's southern Florida. Holy. Florida man. Yay.
There's like 3rd cop.
We got 2 more units on it.
Like 4. 4th cop. I bet.
Go help me sleep.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna go deal with this
Thank you very
myself. I don't know
much.
if I can legally show this, but I'm gonna post it anyways. Let's go. This is a 4th chopper up there. The flash.
How many?
I want to sleep.
He's either gonna get like.
I am going to sleep. Holy.
Two helicopters.
Still, they have like 4 helicopters, 4 units. Don't go that way. No.
I hope another one.
I hope he just turned. Nope, he did not turn. Maybe that's a Fed.
Alright, I'm going in.
Yeah, let's go. Justice has been served. I need to sleep.
No.
They're firing more fireworks. There's 0 way, bro. Oh my gosh. This is not how. How are they firing more fireworks?
Well, you're absolutely.
A whole new definition of stop. You violated the law. Holy. I can hear him yelling.
Holy cow!
What? He's like, hold on a minute, let me just like this one last.
It's like I paid $15,000 for this. Please just let me launch this last one.
You're like, am I arrested anyway? Alright, let's go.
I swear if I hear one more firework, I'm gonna die. Sorry for the long video. It's just getting really annoying.